Welcome to the heart of innovation. I'm Mia, and today I'll show you how we transform 20,000 discs.
Step 1 is raw material intake. Every day, refrigerated trucks deliver large batches of fish skin.
First, each batch is weighed. We log the weight, the fish species, and even which seafood plant it came from.
Next, we sort by size and species. Salmon skins, cod skins, tilapia skins. To prevent degradations, we store the sorted fish skins in cold, temperature-controlled bins. When it's time to process a batch, we wheel the chilled bins straight into step 2, cleaning and preparation.
The skins are still raw and slick with natural fats. To become leather, they need intense cleaning.
Inside this washing tunnel, high-pressure water jets and rotating rollers scrub away blood, fat, and surface.
Once washed, the fish skins move to gentle descaling drums. We're not trying to erase the beautiful natural pattern. These drums use soft rubber paddles instead of harsh blades. That way, we keep the iconic fish scale texture that will give the leather shoe.
After descaling, the skins soak in antimicrobial and stabilizing baths. This prevents bacterial growth.
Once the soak is complete, the skins are stabilized and odor-free. Now they're ready for step 3, tanning and...
These giant tanning drums are the heart of the process. We use eco-friendly vegetable tannins and naturals.
We carefully control time, temperature, and the exact mix of tannins and oils. This is what turns... For several hours, the skins tumble in this rotating bath. The tannins bond with the collagen fibers.
With tanning complete, the fish skins are no longer raw. They're officially leather. Now we drain.
A fresh rinse removes excess tannins and evens out moisture. At this point,
Hydration rollers compress and condition the leather, spreading moisture evenly throughout. This step gives us a uniform...
on these stretching frames, we carefully pull the leather in multiple directions. Fish leather has a...
In these controlled drying chambers, warm, filtered air evaporates moisture slowly. If we dry too... Now the fish skins are fully transformed into stable leather sheets, dry, flexible, and ready for finish.
Every leather sheet passes through a thickness calibrator. Shoe designers demand exact thickness for comfort.
Gentle buffing smooths micro roughness and prepares the surface for dye and protective coatings.
Here, industrial color baths infuse the fish leather with rich, long-lasting color. We match shades.
Automated grippers lower each sheet slowly into the dye, ensuring full, even coverage without stretch marks.
As the sheets emerge, you can already see the transformation. The natural fish...
After dyeing, we air dry the leather to lock in the color. Later, we'll add oils and protective coatings. We use natural oils to nourish the leather, enhancing flexibility and giving each sheet a luxurious hand feel.
Depending on the shoe design, we can choose anything from a soft satin glow look to a mirror-like shine.
Before we cut a single shoe panel, every sheet of fish leather is inspected. We look for any surface defects.
Now we turn leather sheets into precise shoe components. A laser-guided cutter.
Fish leather is thin but incredibly tough. The laser slices it effortlessly, giving us intricate shapes for toe caps, heel pieces.
Each pair of shoes needs a full set of parts: uppers, linings, tongue pieces, and more. We sort them to step 5, assembly and packaging. Here, fish leather pieces meet linings, insoles, and soles to become fully formed premium shoes.
Fish leather is strong but flexible, so we use fine, high-tension stitching to shape the uppers.
To give the shoes their final shape, we stretch the stitched uppers over rigid foot forms called lasts.
We pair each fish leather upper with a matching outsole. Rubber for everyday wear, leather for dress shoes. Feature. Under precise pressure and timing, the bond between upper and sole becomes permanent.
Once the sole is secured, we remove the last, leaving behind a fully formed fish leather shoe, ready for fine-tuning, polishing, and final protection.
Edge trimmers clean up any excess adhesive or overhanging material, so every shoe looks sharp and precise. No rough edges where the fish leather meets the sole.
Even though fish leather is naturally water resistant, we add an extra waterproof coating to protect against rain and everyday spills. You can see the water just bead up and roll off. Once this cures, it becomes an invisible shield without changing.
Polishing brings out the final luster and deepens the color. The buffing wheels gently massage the surface, highlighting the fish scale pattern without overglossing it.
Before any pair leaves the factory, we test them hard. Flexing, abrasion, bonding strength. Fish leather needs to prove it's as tough as it is beautiful. Fish leather's cross-fiber structure means it can flex thousands of times without cracking. It's one reason designers...
Here we do a last visual check. No loose threads, no blemishes, no color variation. Then each shoe gets...
Even the packaging reflects the premium nature of these shoes. Recycled cardboard, branded dust bags, and careful...
Every box includes information about the fish leather story, how waste from seafood processing becomes a high-value, durable...
Each box gets a unique label with full traceability from fish to finished shoe. Once labeled, we secure the...
Every pallet is scanned into our inventory system. That way, every pair of shoes made from today's skins...
When a brand places an order, our system calls down specific pallets. We pick them, verify the shipment, and load them.
Each shipment is electronically logged with full traceability. From here, these ups...
Shipping finished shoes is only half the story. From here, we track the entire operation in real time. How many fish skins we've turned into leather, how much water we've reused. Traditional tanneries can have strong odors. Our air scrubbers and filters capture volatile compounds so that inside...
Part of the energy that powers our washing tunnels, tanning drums, and sewing machines comes from the sun. It's one more... We don't just claim fish leather is strong, we prove it. In tensile tests, we compare it directly to cow leather. Fish leather's cross-linked fiber structure means it can withstand far more tension than cowhide of the same thickness.
Under the microscope, you can see why fish leather performs so well. Instead of fibers running mostly in one direction, they...
This is the transformation in one frame, from what used to be a cold, slippery byproduct to
Each scale captures light differently, giving fish leather shoes a depth and character that's impossible to fake. No two pairs. Stations.
Designers use fish leather for everything from casual sneakers to formal dress shoes. The material is thin.
Even with its strength, fish leather stays incredibly flexible. It bends and twists with your foot, which means comfort and durability instead of stiffness and cracks.
Remember the waterproof coating and natural resistance of fish leather? Here's how that works in practice.
For everyday knocks, the combination of strong fish leather and a well-built sole protects your feet and keeps the shoe looking good, even after repeated impacts.
So let's zoom out. In a single day, this factory takes 20,000 discarded fish skins and guides...
From frozen intake and deep cleaning, to slow, careful tanning and equipped by hyper-precision cutting that turns sheets...
Then precision stitching, shaping, and sole attachment bring the shoes to life, followed by waterproofing, polishing.
On average, it takes about 2 carefully matched fish skins to make one pair of shoes. So these pallets together...
Each pair reduces waste from the seafood industry, replaces traditional leather with a lower impact alternative, and gives...
We've come full circle, from this door where the cold, slippery skins arrive, to the polished shoes ready to ship. And
What used to be discarded at the end of a fishing day now becomes something built to last. Fashion that literally
We share digital models and material data with designers so they can see exactly how fish leather behaves
digital experiences. Life cycle assessments show that, when sourced from existing seafood byproducts, fish leather can significantly lower water.
It's not magic. It's engineering, chemistry, design, and careful quality control applied to a material the world used to ignore.
From above, you can see how every department connects. 20,000 skins enter at one end.
This is what industrial upcycling looks like at scale. A factory built not just to make products, but to solve a waste.
When you hold a pair like this, you're holding the end result of hundreds of precise steps and the beginning of a new story for what materials we choose to wear.
By turning fish skins into premium leather shoes, we're proving that waste and that sustainable choices.
The next time you see a pair of fish leather shoes, you'll know the journey behind them. From cold storage bins and tanning drums.
Here, industrial precision and environmental responsibility work together. The result? Shoes that carry a story.
All while delivering the comfort, durability, and aesthetic that premium footwear demands.
This is Ocean Cycle Tannery, where 20,000 fish skins a day get a second life as premium leather shoes. From ocean byproduct to a new standard in sustainable leather. Thanks for joining me on the journey.
I'm Mia, an elderly South Asian woman. This is